Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac computer. Tutorial 14, add or remove a section to a slide. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft PowerPoint. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to OneDrive, locate the PowerPoint presentation, which is called work.pptx. Double click on this. Let's just wait for that to load. In the meantime, let's now minimize Finder for the moment. Now let's go to the PowerPoint presentation. Click on the first slide, right click and add section. This will allow us to subcategorize every slide. So let's just say the front page, slide number 2, add section, let's just say table. Third slide, right click, add section, videos. So if we want to, let's say, remove this section, we would right click on the section itself and remove the section. There we go. But for this tutorial, let's now Command Z to undo, and the section has now returned. So that's how you add a section and remove a section. We can now quit PowerPoint. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.